Hello everyone, this is Marilyn from Jazzy's Creation Design, and today I'm going to show you how to make a wreath with these skulls and flat paint. I'm using a pastel palette from Folk Art. As that is drying, I'm going to go ahead and move on and work on the wreath, and I am going to remove all of the items I do not want. And so here I am trying to take out the signage that says Home Sweet Home. It is really cute, but just not the look that I'm looking for. So now I have to balance because there's this big space, empty space. So I went ahead and got artificial flowers that match, and I'm going to take some pieces and move them to the other side. I don't know if you guys do this, but I do it all the time. I play around with how I want things to look, where the colors I want, how I want to place them. As you can see, I'm just trying to match. Like I said before, I'm just moving some of the items so everything is a little bit more cohesive and balanced out. Once you have the flower in place, I went ahead and just used the wire and twisted it around, but also used hot glue to stick it in place. So I'm using a Xyron hot glue, and as you can see, it has multiple spots for 2 or 3 of those hot glue sticks. I just realized that it wasn't hot. So here I am trying to put hot glue when it's not hot. So just plugging it in. But I do recommend this hot glue. It works really great and it holds multiple sticks. So less getting up and down. For the skulls, I do want to say that you want to put hot glue and then hold it down for a little bit just to make sure it holds in place. That's it. Remember to edit yourself if you go too much. Well, I don't know if there is ever too much, but you can always add more or less. But I think I like it the way it is, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hang it. That's it. So here is my Halloween wreath and how it looks. I absolutely really like how it turned out. Let me know if you guys tried this. It's an awesome Dollartree makeover. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe for more. Love to hear from you.